too. Dude. Yo. Yo. Real name's Loki, but.
I want a chow chow so badly.
They might be made out of these chow chows. The Moyes are like in almost every spitz, dog breed there is. The first breed they made out of them was an Akita. You know, they don't have no dander, so if you're allergic to dogs, you guys or anybody, this is a good pick because you won't be allergic to them. Yeah. They got some sort of dander, but not like most dogs. Most dogs are pretty potent. It's almost like a weed or something. I would never have a dog. My wife bought it for me. So I wouldn't have to hang by myself all the time. Come here, bud. Come here. That's it. Good boy, good boy. Come on, man. You're doing everything, ain't you, man?
Joey's too loud on my monitor.
Vocally?
Yeah, it's blowing my head off.
Hey, my vocal in the drum wedge down, please.
A lot. And Buddy too, he's a little loud too. Take him that down too.
Hey,
that's better.
Two.
Buddy, talk in your mic real quick.
Buddy, talk. Buddy.
Mike. Man, what's up? Yo, man.
Yo. Check 1, 2. Check.
That's
check.
Check.